Hey, ¿qué onda, chavos? Bienvenidos aquí a los Amigos de
Downey
Nissan. Oh, my goodness.
Dealer número uno.
That's right. Before we get started with our guest, I have something special. Here we go. Who do we have today?
Tu mecánico favorito, Mark.
Marky Mark. Woo!
Dance.
I was gonna start singing it myself.
What's going on, Mark? How you been? ¿Cómo has estado, bro?
Great.
missed you.
Again, happy to be back. Beautiful weather. Finally, we're back out.
You brought the sunshine.
I brought the sunshine with me. You know.
I brought the sunshine on a cloudy day.
Oh,
you got the
and
the vibe.
Oye, this is Downey Nissan, los amigos de Downey Nissan. Rápidamente estamos aquí con Rebecca. Who are you, Rebecca? What do you do?
Ooh, that's a great question. I'm a mom, first of all.
Okay.
Mom of two. But I'm also a Downey Nissan brand ambassador. I do it all. Aquí estamos para nuestra comunidad, para nuestra gente. Ayudamos a mucha familia a conseguir el auto de sus sueños. Dependiendo de su situación, crédito, buen crédito, no crédito. Aquí estamos para realmente ayudarte, educarte y darte toda la información que tú necesitas para hacer, para muchos, la compra más grande que van a hacer en toda la vida, que es financiar un auto, o en el caso de Mark, también ayudamos con servicio.
Nice. Marky Mark, welcome to the show. What do you do? What's your title? And how long have you been here at Downey Nissan?
I'm a service technician. I've been here for 3 years. I look over your car. You bring it in. You have a problem. We fix it, and this way you leave happy and safe on the road.
Right. I have to tell you something. Do you do side jobs?
We'll talk later.
No, but in all fun and games, guys, Downey Nissan has one of the best customer services here, not only with sales, if you want looking for a brand new car or pre-certified vehicle, but also the service, man. The service that you guys provide is amazing, and it speaks volumes because when we record this show, we do it early Saturday mornings. There's a line of cars, and I always thought when I would pass by here, I would be like, when I would pass by my scooter, I'd be like, man, those cars must really break down a lot. But no, they're here because they're getting mains work on to keep them.
Yeah, to keep them running. They come in on Saturdays for oil changes, air filter changes, brake fluid exchanges, CVT drain and fills, coolant, anything, just to make sure that your engine and your car is running properly. They'll come in and get it done, especially on Saturdays, on days that people mostly have off. They come in, we take care of them early in the morning, and they can enjoy the rest of their day.
Damn.
When we're still full of donuts.
Yeah, still full of donuts, cafecito. Ooh.
Oh, the best part is sometimes on Saturdays, Rebecca hooks up a lunch truck, and you guys have free tacos and stuff.
Yeah.
That's right, yeah.
Now, Mark and Rebecca, maybe this question is for you. Can any vehicle come here? Ya sea un Nissan, or it could be a Toyota, it could be a Beamer. You guys service those vehicles here too?
Beamers, Toyotas, GMCs. We just had a GMC Denali 2024 come in. It's like $100,000 car, and we looked it over. We fixed it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, anything can come
Yeah,
in.
it is recommended if you are bringing a different brand, for example, to do an oil change, to do your appointment, just because we don't want you waiting in the event we don't have the filter right away,
Right,
or things like that, even though it goes by fast. But if you want to save a little bit more time, it's so easy to make your appointment.
Yeah, we can have everything ready for you. So this way when you come in, talk to whatever advisor you made your appointment with, and after that, boom, we have the parts ready. We know what we're doing, and we can get you, like I said, in and out in a timely manner.
Like one example is this very beautiful car that you're going to show us right now, Rebecca. What vehicle is this?
Diablito, experience the thrill of the drive with this one-of-a-kind 2020 Nissan 370Z. With its powerful V6 engine, precise handling, and iconic design, this sports car is perfect for those who crave performance. Don't miss the chance to own this exhilarating ride. Call right now to schedule your test drive today. Marca en este momento al 888-282-5597 o visita 7321 Firestone Boulevard en la bella ciudad de Downey.
Yeah, so a car like that's brand new. Mark would take a look at it. Just it's easier if you, like you said, make an appointment. That way you don't have to kind of wait all day, right?
That's right. Mark actually looks at the car after you buy the vehicle here at Downey Nissan and before. to inspect the cars, to inspect that we are selling a good quality car, that it has all the Nissan parts, or, tell us a little bit about that, Mark.
Yeah, so we'll inspect the car, especially when it comes in from like a third party or whatever the case may be. However we get the car, we'll get it. We'll do if I remember correctly, I think it's like a 97-point inspection. It's pretty extensive. So we check everything from under the hood to the cabin to the tires, anything and everything. Look it over just to make sure that the car is running smooth and properly. Just so anybody, for me, the way I do it, I want to make sure that the car is safe. Like if my mom was going to buy it and she was going to drive it herself, I want it ready like that.
It's actually 167 multi-point
it's a
inspection for certified pre-owned and 84-point inspection for certified select.
Booyah, you see? So there's a lot that we go through.
But he does 90. He goes above and beyond.
I do whatever we have to just to make sure that it's good. And if it's not a vehicle that we feel safe in actually selling or having here on the lot with us, we don't even offer it to you guys. We don't even give it to the customers because, again, that's a safety issue for you guys. And we feel that responsible, we're not going to do this to you guys. We want to treat you guys with respect.
You know what? I'm going to put you to the test. Honestly, I am, because I'm tired of hearing you guys, we do this, we do that for the customer. This is what's going to happen, right?
Okay.
My daughter has a 2017 Jeep Patriot.
Okay.
Really nice car. It only has 78,000 miles, and it runs smooth like butter. I really love it for her. That's why I kind of got it as her first car, because she commutes to college.
Right.
But I noticed something kind of interesting. It has no leaks. It doesn't have anything, no issues at all. But for some reason, I got to be putting coolant.
Constantly.
Not constantly, like maybe every other week. What's cracking there, man?
Because it's a Jeep, not a Nissan.
That's number one. But number two, if it's something like this where I can't really diagnose over like the phone or just by talking, when we bring it in, we all have connects with everybody. For example, my brother works at Dodge Glendora, so he knows everything and anything to do with any Jeeps, Dodges, or Rams. So if I have a problem and I can't figure it out, I give him a call, and he's already going to know what's going on. So he can tell me, yo, check this, check that. And I want to make sure that I use every single resource at my hands to make sure that you guys, again, are safe, because you guys are trusting us to make sure we get it done. So I'll make sure that I keep that trust and get it done the right way the first time.
All right, we're going to put that to the test. Next time we record, I'm going to bring the vehicle. So we're going to set an appointment up, and while we do the podcast, they'll work on it, and then we'll see what really happens. How's that?
How about you bring the vehicle and
That's
put
right.
her a better car?
Ooh,
That's a
Wow.
better
I can't afford one right now, man.
well, thank God you know Rebecca, because she
I
can
know,
help you out with
but
that.
That's
this one we paid cash.
Oh,
No,
no,
even better.
Todo lo que decimos que no haga.
No,
aquí,
the
ya
thing
lo
is
hizo.
that as a parent,
Yeah.
and this is maybe I'm speaking things I don't know, but what I do know is that she's only 18, she's only been a driver for a year. So if I were to buy her a brand new car, it's expensive. Insurance is expensive. On top of that, what else is expensive? Insurance, and it's hard.
But how much do you value your daughter's life?
A lot, but
Right.
she has good full coverage right now on this vehicle, on her Jeep Patriot.
But did you just see Mark got in an accident driving a RAV4?
RAV4.
Right. And how old is your Jeep? The Jeep?
2017.
How old is?
It was a 2016.
Oh, really? Okay.
see.
I looked
You
newer
were
than that.
trying to checkmate.
Well,
me.
yeah, because I keep it clean. I kept it.
This was
kept
super
up
clean.
everything.
I really love her car. I think I feel safe for her to drive it. But it's just that issue, the whole coolant thing. And I'm going to bring it so we could, so people
we
could
could check
know.
out, yeah.
So they could know, like, okay, what happened to Devil's car? So that's what we're going to call that segment. What happened to Devil's car?
that's
All right.
nice.
Here at Downey Nissan.
It got traded in for a Nissan.
Ooh, the best case scenario.
Well, imagine upgrading to the one right behind you, Mark.
But you know what? It is important for your kid to start credit. You got to start credit when you're young, because in the future, if she wants to buy a house, something bigger, it's the best time. It's never too late to start credit, even if you're older than 18. But I think the best gift you can give your daughter living here in the USA is crédito.
Right. Now that you're speaking about credit, here in Downey Nissan, Rebecca, do you guys give credit to just about anybody, even bankruptcy, all that negative stuff that people go through?
That is a good question, Diablito. This is why I love Downey Nissan, because we actually really do help you regardless of your credit situation. We will sit here and take the time to make sure you leave here with the car, regardless if you're a first-time buyer, if you have a BK, if you have collections, or if you have excellent credit. We will actually sit down and take the time to actually help you out. And for service as well, you can finance.
Yeah. You can. I think the program's called. Was it Fix now, pay later.
Yeah, fix it now, pay it later.
Yeah. Sorry,
Nice.
I'm behind the scenes. I'm a mechanic. You know,
Right.
I'm wrenching. I'm never on the computers. But from what I know, especially like coming up to the front and speaking with like customers and my advisors, I always hear that all the time. You know, customers are like, "Do you have any ways that we can finance this or something that'll make it easier for me?" Yeah, we do. You know, we have a fix now, pay later.
Yeah,
Nice.
sometimes you don't want to come out $3,000 out of pocket to fix, you know, spark plugs or engine or whatever, and you can fix it now and pay it later and make it in payments and do it in credit.
But you guys have incredible prices here, though. I mean,
Yeah.
right? It's not like you guys going to jack up the prices.
Oh no. It stays. What you see is what you pay.
Right.
That's
Just
what
like
it
we
is.
have the special going on right now, you buy 3 tires, you get one for $1, and we'll even give you an opportunity to win a 65-inch TV.
Nice. Yeah,
Nobody else is going to do
well,
that.
yeah, nobody else is going to do that. So,
Yeah.
you know, it's a phenomenal deal. You know, you can get your tires done. You get a chance to win. And, hey, you might even be able to watch the Super Bowl on a brand new 65-inch TV.
well, by that time, the Super Bowl already passed. Maybe Christmas movies or anything
Oh,
else.
look, however, whatever you want to watch on it, it's brand new and it's ready
You
for
could watch actually the Los Amigos de Downey Nissan on the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That's what they could do on that TV. Yes.
That's right.
And
yeah.
what was I going to say? Not only that, so it's 3 tires and you get one free
For $1.
for $1.
Casi gratis.
That's cool, especially right now with everything changing. We got spring coming up, we got summer, then we get fall, then we got winter again. So it's great to have new tires, man.
Yeah, especially it's raining right now in Cali.
Yeah.
Wow, I've seen so many people just on the road with their hazards on because their tires are bald. They didn't take the time to, bring it at least to us to inspect and let them know what's going on. But now that we have this special deal, buy 3, get one for $1, and you get a chance to win a TV, why not? It sounds amazing.
So if you have a check engine light, can they bring it in here too?
Bring it here.
Is it free inspection or?
I believe so. Check engine light, I believe so. As long as it's under warranty, then yeah,
Right.
it should be. But if it's out of warranty,
I like that
then we'll
pause.
talk.
See, that's why we're called Los Amigos de Downey Nissan, because we're normal people, man.
Yeah.
That pause is amazing. I hope you get that as a little real highlight there, Rebecca.
It's free.
And guys, also coming up, I'm not sure if you guys are watching this before March or after March, but we're going to be giving away a brand new 2025 Nissan Z. Isn't that correct?
Like the one behind.
Yeah, we're going to have to get some little footage on that car. A
Beautiful
Nissan.
car.
It's a beautiful car, man. And, of course, if you own a Nissan Z right now, you could, what is this right here?
That's right. You can be part of the C Club exclusive. So what does that mean? For first-year members, you will get 10% discount off parts, accessories. You'll also get exclusive C swag. All you have to do is come down to Nissan, sign up, call right now. There's so many perks when you are part of the C Club exclusive.
Nice. So, guys, remember, this is Los Amigos de Downey Nissan. Incredible. We still have that fire thing for
Fire relief program.
fire relief program.
If you've been affected by the fires or know anybody that has been affected by the fires, we are giving you employee discounts here at Downey Nissan for service as well, or if you want a new car.
So, really quick before we leave, the worst credit history story you've heard of.
Ooh, there was a customer that came in here with a 300 credit score, which is really, really low because they can go from anywhere from 0 to 900, which is excellent. And he needed a car for his kids. Nobody else wanted to give him the opportunity. He knocked on a lot of doors y ni agua le ofrecieron. Vino aquí a Downey Nissan, with your hopes down, like, you're probably not going to help me. And we were able to help not only with getting him approved, but with the van, car big enough for all his kids,
Nice.
for his dogs, and established credit. And he's still a customer with us. He's already had like 5 different cars with us because he knows we will always give him the opportunity here at Downey Nissan.
Nice.
That's awesome.
Mark, worst car that came through that drive-through service, through the drive, I don't know, what do you call it?
Yeah,
What
the
do you-
drive.
Service
Yeah,
drive?
yeah.
The service drive.
Yeah.
Worst car you've seen, and you're like, no way, we're not going to be able to fix it. But because of all the connections you guys have with other dealerships, parts and stuff like that, what was the worst car you've seen?
It was probably, I think it was a 2004. It was a Camry. It came in leaking from everywhere, and the suspension was all shot. So we did the full inspection, got prices for everything. I gave it to my advisor. They did their part. They called, And I even spoke with the advisor. I told him, yo, we'll be able to handle this job. We'll be able to do it for this amount of hours, so we can make sure that the customer is safe and, you know, it's affordable too, because it's going to be a big job.
Right.
You know, it's going to be a lot. But if they're willing to do it, I'm willing to help them out to make sure that they can, you know, afford this repair. So we went through it. It took me, I want to say, about two and a half weeks. But at the very end, the car was running smoother than it did brand new. We found every single leak. We replaced every single part, and you know, the car was good. It hasn't come back, and we even get the customer coming in with their other cars just for us to service them because they trusted us after that first one.
That's dope.
Yeah, so and again, it's an older car. We're able to fix it now. Just imagine what we could do with the newer cars, where we have newer sensors, newer technology, stuff that we can actually scan and investigate and find out, you know, even easier than we could with those older ones. So I'm just. Nice. Like I said, I'm excited, you know, whenever they bring something like that or they trust us enough to bring in the rest of their fleet, let's jump on it.
Y lo que me encanta de Downey Nissan, when you pull into the service drive, somebody like me, you know, you don't really even know what your car needs, we will actually take the time to videotape what your car needs, you know, with Mark or the service advisor. Hey, this is the air filter. This is what it looks like. You know, we recommend you do this or that, but with the live camera, not just trying to upsell you with whatever.
Yeah, you don't cheat the people.
Exactly. So like we'll take videos, you know, when we get it, we get the car, we do the inspection, and then once we know what the car's going to need, then we go ahead and get it, you know, pull out our phones, we start recording, and we're like, you know, hey, welcome to Downey Nissan. My name is Mark. I'm a service technician working on your vehicle today. Yeah. And here is the report card, and this is what I'm going to recommend, and, you know, what's some things that you can hold off on. So a perfect example would be an air filter. Now, sometimes we do recommend replacing the air filter every 15,000 miles, but again, depending on your driving conditions, that can change. It can go to 30,000 or less. You know, you might even need it every 5,000. Yeah.
Depends on how often you use the AC,
how often you use the AC, how are your driving conditions, like are you driving somewhere where there's a lot of dirt, a lot of ash, a lot of debris, whatever the case may be. We inspect the air filter, and even on the video when we're taking the video, we show you, yo, this is where it's at. It might not need to be replaced right now, but because of how dirty it is, on your next service interval, we may recommend it. But right now, we can save and not worry about replacing this right now, and maybe focus on a more important repair and do that now, and you could come back later and we'll take care of the other one.
Nice. Honest mechanics, I love it.
I love it. And nobody else is going to send you a video. I mean, you can drop your car off, go to work, and then bam, we'll send you the video. And from there, you can be like, yes, do it, or I'll hold off. But it's important that you are aware of the recommendation.
Man, Downey Nissan has so many options for you guys. So make sure you guys check out DowneyNissan.com. Listen to Los Amigos de Downey Nissan. And of course, what is the number?
888-282-5597. La llamada es completamente gratis. Si tienes preguntas, dudas, if you want to make your service appointment, or if you want to come in person, we are ready to help. Y estamos listos para conocerte y ayudarte.
Very nice. All right, guys, stay tuned, cartoon. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you, Rebecca.
Thank you, Diablito.
Thank you so much, Mark. We'll see each other at the next
car giveaway.
Car giveaway, of course. Nissan Z. And remember, 3 tires.
Three tires,
buy
one
3,
for $1.
get 1 for $1.
And you get a chance to win a 65-inch TV.
No one else is going to give you that except for
Right
here down in Nissan.
Peace out.
Chew.